Are you ready to supercharge your productivity with AI? Today on Useful AI Hacks, we're diving into all of OpenAI's latest models and showing you the perfect prompts and use cases for every model, showcasing each model's strong points, what they're good at doing to help you get the best prompts for the specific task you're working on. Whether you are looking to generate a social media post, an image, research topics, or you need help writing emails, stay tuned because each model's prompt example will be sure to unlock new ways for you to work smarter with AI. Let's get started with one of OpenAI's latest models, GPT-4o. This model is your go-to for real-time, multimodal reasoning, perfect for everyday tasks. Here's an example prompt. Summarize this news article and generate a relevant image to share on social media. That's right, GPT-4 handles both text and visuals in one go. Next, on to GPT-4.5. Need better tone control for writing, coding, or quick problem solving? Here's an example prompt. Write a professional email to a client, then provide a Python script that parses their response for key action items. See how it nails both writing and coding fast. Now we'll discuss the o3 model used for deep, complex, multi-step analysis. o3 is your best friend. Here's an example prompt. Analyze the potential impacts of remote work on urban economies, considering economic, social, and environmental factors. Present your findings in a structured report. Talk about next-level insights. Let's move to o4-mini. If you want speed and cost efficiency for code, math, or visual tasks, this is the one. Here's an example prompt. Write a function to calculate Fibonacci numbers and visualize the sequence up to 20 terms. Quick, efficient, and visual perfect for rapid prototyping. Don't close your eyes. The Blink o4-mini-high model is here. It's like o4-mini, but with deeper technical reasoning. Here's an example prompt. Debug this JavaScript code for a web app and explain the logic behind each fix. You get fast results and detailed technical explanations. Finally, let's talk about GPT 4.1. GPT 4.1 is OpenAI's flagship model, engineered for top-tier performance in coding, instruction following, and handling massive amounts of context. It can process up to 1 million tokens in a single prompt, perfect for analyzing entire code bases, legal documents, or long transcripts without breaking a sweat. Its coding ability is unmatched, with a 54.6% accuracy on real-world software engineering tasks, outperforming previous models by a wide margin. Here's an example prompt for GPT 4.1. Analyze this legal contract and extract all clauses related to intellectual property, summarizing each clause in a single bullet point. GPT 4.1 also excels at following complex, multi-step instructions, producing outputs that are structured exactly as requested, and minimizing errors and hallucinations. And last, but definitely not least, let's focus on GPT 4.1 Mini. GPT 4.1 Mini brings nearly the same capabilities as the full model, but with lower latency and cost, making it ideal for interactive tools and applications where speed and efficiency matter. It's especially strong at following explicit, literal instructions and shines in agentic workflows where you want the AI to plan, execute, and reflect on complex tasks step by step. With the same 1 million token context window, it's perfect for summarizing, extracting, or reasoning over large data sets without the overhead of the full model. Here's an example prompt for GPT 4.1 Mini. Before answering, outline your planned steps. Then, summarize this 59-page technical report into 5 bullet points, each under 15 words. Finally, check if the summary covers all main sections. If you found these AI hacks, OpenAI model prompts, and use cases helpful and useful, hit like, share this video with a friend who needs help with AI prompting, and subscribe to useful AI hacks for daily updates and the latest in AI news. Which model is your favorite, or which model's prompt will you try first? Let us know in the comments. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.